Right, is your favorite commentator Kamza Nsimbi Egobeki goba ezinye Nsimbi insizwe emnyama ayigezi ya policha iboncha abutsefela hore lechachi lifihlile ngwana yesu mo Johannesburg FNB First National Bank Soccer City khangkha ijankhawana mapilo o Jasrati skhetelo asrati ditlaba diphoshana ka noga iphela sehlopha sa Orlando Pirates ezimnyama inkani ezigama gembula za gembule mhlaba kamasipala zawuthatha zawisa phezulu itlaba ikopana lesona sehlopha sa Makhosi abafana bokuthula noxolo abafana baphefeni the Glamour Boys iboncha gabotsefela bolo ihlatshwa garampala botlelo ka yena Dlodi Lilepo haribone Dlodi Lilepo o tla itshia bolo eo a ise butshwa tlhabela tshibala botlelo o tshia bolo Dlodi Lilepo o ibia ko Nyambose haribone Oxmthetho a tshia back pass o ibia motsileng ya Hosia Mganga wa kamakoro Zitha Nkwinika bona Zitha Nkwinika o tshia bolo o ibia motsileng ya Mekhethi asina ko le yona o ibia motsileng cross haribone cross ral ka bolo etelele o nyaka Itiosa Igadaro yamlahlagela bolo iwela Mombogazi wari TLB ikanga muva ikenga phambili ribone TLB o tshia bolo ka letlangelo o tshia bolo o ilahla ga rampa le botlelo e crea mani e siana Master Chef.
My name is Muzikayise Kumede, otherwise known as Sopolenyoni. I now live in Meadowlands, but born and bred in the rural areas of Mpumalanga. Sopolenyoni, isopo means gravy. So when you cook something, the gravy that comes from that meat. So inyoni is a bird. So the Sopolenyoni means gravy ya nonyan. No, I'm the gravy from the cooking of Inonyan.
My name Kimlungisi Shabalala, all the way from Gojabulane. Kuhuletse hona mo Soweto bo. Bampitsa street light street pole esingana light I reason angisho ngumude yabona ngicavi so amehli light akuna light.
My name is Theophilus Maholo. I'm from Meadowlands Zone 9. Came from Northwest, the village called Tau. I came here to study, to improve my studies.
I came to Gauteng for the first time in 2008. I attended secondary at Philadelphia Secondary School. That's in Pretoria. And I've been in Gauteng since. I came to Soweto back in 2016 for college. I studied marketing management and did some part-time jobs here and there. Came back to the college, studied music, and here I am now. No, I was not born blind, but the reason why I became blind is, I guess it was too technical from the doctors. I didn't understand it myself, but the long and short of it was that my cornea inside was too big, and as a result, the eye shrunk back. So that's the reason why I can't see. In the end of '99, I think I was 7 at the time. If I'm not mistaken, yes, I was 7.
I wasn't born blind out here. Ngalimala bengabo 9 years old. I think in '99. Yeah, ngakhawatheka like bese intwana slice amatire then kwa plaster something angishaya emehlweni. Yeah, then kwenzeka kanjalo nje. Ngina 34, reach 35 this year. Shiqala ngiaffect eqaleni like time ngintwana after ngiceda ukulimala nje emehlweni la ngaqala ngaluzi hope ngezinto ebhaya cause ikhasi la ngikhulele khona bekuyimi ngi1 before ngacava ngakaze ngicava umunye umuntu before like mangikhumbula ngiseyintwala bekunamagebe esinokwadlala sithi angibone emehlweni bengayazi udayileke izoyenzakala one day vele but hayi ngagcina ngaba grand as soon as bangitholele isigela ngabona abanye abantu aba grand ngifunde khona esinye isigela kuso la eFrenageng bethi sibonile school primary school yeah besinawo cala from grade 1 until grade 9 yeah besifunda khona school sama blind nje special school for ama blind. Ngene la college, kune college la TVET college bathi SWGC ngifunde khona la ngenza i-nated yami ngafika khona I think ngafika ngayenza i-level 2 level 3 level 4 then after level 4 ngena i-public management ngayenza i-course yakhona then ngiqede 2022 ngoJune.
No, I'm not born blind, sir. That blindness came when I'm still on secondary. I was doing grade 10 when my vision starts going slow, bit by bit. And then I came, and then after that, I take an opportunity on Northwest. There's no opportunity there. I find the opportunity on Gauteng. Got Jozi, got complete my matric, and then got bona TVET Southwest Gauteng TVET College. I'm doing my native course there. I'm studying public management. I finished, and then now I'm doing marketing management. And to a question, I be blind. No, yana, as I get told, because of Kezamile, try born or no, king a question or be blind, but Zanga told until no doctor. The way Batalosangati, they say Bariki Idlocom. Yeah, since I'm not born blind, it affected too much tabi because I'm not expecting it will be kilimo killing. Can I need a career again I need before? That means to kill a 12 months because of Haxabon abo. Ilega tswana re ke try go bona gore ke eng e tla accommodator kgone go tswela ke push bophelo ba ka bo e kopeng.
I support Kaizer Chiefs. I support Kaizer Chiefs, the best football family in the world. You know, Kaizer Chiefs is a family brand. And let me qualify that. You go to Emakasa Mapaya, you will learn that mother, father, daughter, and a son support Kaizer Chiefs. And not only Kaizer Chiefs is a family-based organization from that perspective. Look at Kaizer Chiefs' history, for instance. Dr. Kaizer Mdaung played for Chiefs. Kaizer Jr. played for Chiefs. Mr. Eliakim Kumalo played for Chiefs. Dr. Kumalo played for Chiefs. Joseph Mkonza played for Chiefs. Spiwa Mkonza. I can go on and on and on and on. So it's a family team. It's a family brand. It's about family. It starts with you as a family. It affects the community and it affects the entire nation. I guess that's how I supported Kaizer Chiefs. That's how I identified with them.
Team ke supporta ke Kaizer Chiefs wa sale monyane nje. Ke le ntwana ke gotse ke supporta Kaizer Chiefs. Ka Kaizer Chiefs ke rata gore ke team e grote. Start ke le ntwana nje nintse le team e grote Kaizer Chiefs until you know a gona ball mo South Africa ko ntle ga Kaizer Chiefs. Oh, my favorite player go tswa gale go Kaizer Chiefs ke tla re ke bitso ya me Theophilus Dr. Kumalo. Current player my favorite ke Mfundo Vilakazi. Obrigado senyane.
Hayi team yamabhoza Sandawana kabuyelo yi team yami my brother. Yazi ngikhule kanjani uthami endlini nje household bekungabantu abasupport iBhakaniya ayithama lambe support iJomo like ngiseyintwana ngikhe ngasupport iJomo engivayila uthami before support iSundowns ngasupport iJomo ngasupport iAjax Cape Town kudala le ngasupport iBhakaniya athi ngithola iTV enginqanyayo nje iSundowns ngebrand yefootball abebeyidlala yiyo yang attract ukuthi ngize ngisupport iSundowns. Tuition in piano baba silibeka phansi 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 agijima umuntu ugijima idisc la. Ngithanda ama-supporter like stadium ucula nje yona iSundowns nje ile ball eligrand ama-fans wakhona nefamily kaNtate Mutsipe ke Jackie siphethe kahle nje mo support iSundowns uyazizwa ukuthi usethimini enkulu emnandi fresh.
So my answer to that question of how I understand football, maybe a bit philosophical, but here's the thing. So there's more to football than meets the eye. There's science that explains how football works. So for me to understand football, there's a principle called the 80-20 rule. So all I need is for you to give me the most important details. 20% of it will make me understand 80% of what's happening. What do I mean by that? As a commentator, you just give me the most important details, and giving me the most important details, you include voice projection. Your voice, without you saying it, should tell me where about in the field the ball is. Your voice should tell me when Lilepo is launching forward. You know, when the commentator, Kamza is very good at it. When the commentator calls Lilepo maybe 5 times, the pitch for the maybe when he's calling the name for the 5th time won't be the same as when he did the first time. So if it's the opponent's name, Patrick Maswanganye, being called that way, I know Senyaminya, Senyaminya, because he's launching an attack now. So commentary for me is what makes me understand football.
Okay, estadium artist commentator la batho Kamza the commentator is pretty grand. Like iqaleni disc bengimamela radio kubo Lisedi. Like yabona mangaqava idisc like bengimamela ama radio station benginama favorite commentators like kwami radio kubo Lisedi FM, Zulu, Kwekwezi, but ever since ngivana khona la uthi sahlangana nabatho Kamhelo the commentator. So nguye umuntu waqala wasela ukuthi asivayele stadium because since asibona busy sikhuluma ibhola nje kaningi yabo. Like his commentator what get okay asenzeni something whereby so khona ukukhuluma ngedisc nani sayenza la liqala savula i-podcast yethu, then after sa decide ukuthi sizoye stadium, then masifika stadium ufika commentator la ukami usually makuzoqala ibhola yakutshela ukuthi okay kune Sundowns on your left, i-attacker from left to right, then ngada iBhakania from right to yabo, then like engqondweni yakho usuya imagine ukuthi okay kune pitch ime kanje yangithola. So ekumeni wayo kanje mayethi idisc liphethwe position 4 or 5 engqondweni yakho seyatlik ukuthi okay ila mayibhizi commentator uyazi ukuthi ubani udlala va. So usually mangabe ubona ilink week ukuthi ubani ukhona ukunderstand ukuthi maybe yenziwa yini, dlala which formation and babheka face which position, maybe mangabe ba face ngada uzokutshela ukuthi Sundowns isuka from your left to your right, then bese kutshela ukuthi the opponent yakho na isuka from the side to this side. Then ke nawe usuyaqala ke engqondweni yakho usuyafaka imagination ukuthi okay shooting ground lime kanje ubani udlala yi ubani udlala yi ubani udlala yi ubani udlala yi, then mabibhizi bebamba idisc mawuza ukuthi okay le disc ingene ngaku which side usuyaqala nawe uyabona ukuthi okay just like last time umdiba ngiyazi ukuthi umdiba beadefisana napolice yangithola ekufisana napolice bengimuza kaningi la ngade mthathela amabhola apolice, so bengiza ukuthi iside la kaMdiba li weak because uhleze emthathela and bengazi ukuthi i left back yethu e weak amadadi ngithi Pirates bengena ngaka left kaye. Awuthami ngithanda kuba se stadium kakhulu, atmosphere se stadium ayifani endlini banokora ngicelebrating i1 yabo ukuthi ngihleli nabantu abangasupport iSundowns manje ngada khala kamnandi man amavuzela yayeza ne excitement yabantu ba happy nje isibhayi izinto ezimnandi kumnandi stadium. iSundowns iqala bengithanda uGolfisa Phula. Currently uvayile favorite player but uthi ngiboka bekuRibeiro manje uthi ngazikhethela nje uSantos ayimbaraya uSales but going once going twice.
Okay, a re le go stadium gona le out here tsamang le one ke Kamohelo Kamza the commentator ke ene or hasetsa yona ball step by step and rona re khona ba mo mooding about ba ba le go stadium ba le mo yona. Kamza o re thusa ka o re tlhalosetsa each and every steps abon kore ene le hore re tshotse radio ko ntlong re itsamile le one ko stadium wa re thusa too much haholo o feta le fuku go thusa because nke sa nahani since ke le mo situation e ke le mo yone hore ke tla ya ko stadium ke enjoy ka mang le mang a enjoy, but since ke tsamaya le Kamza the commentator I had
a friend back home. He was very good at explaining things to me. So, because I was very young when I got blind. So everything that I know and understand I can say I saw it through his eyes. May his soul rest in peace. So this friend of mine would explain things to me. Let me tell you how I got to follow football. So in 2001, because I see, man, I'm a great man every Saturday, they'll be happy. I'm in boarding school, Kenya Saturday. So I'm like, no, man, let me join this big bras and sit with them. So I'm asking this one guy, I'm like, hey, my guy, I want you to tell me what's happening. Because one commentary, a TV, it was meant for someone who's watching. So they leave a lot of gaps. I'm like, yeah, no, I want to understand this thing. So it starts there. This guy is telling me, it's the Coca-Cola Cup final at that time, Chiefs against Cosmos. So this guy is telling me the movements, he's telling me the formation, who's playing on which side, how they're standing before the game starts, you know. So I'm like, no, this thing is interesting. And I go to them, to the playground, Eskoleni. And I'm like, yeah, I want you to tell me, where does Brian Baloyi stand? You know, because I'm a curious person by nature. So they go to me, to the goalpost. They're like, yeah, this is Brian Baloyi's area here. Okay, I'm like, oh, you're right. Then tell me about Abu Patrick Mabedi and the other ones. Bama Vabo. And they're showing me the field around, and I'm like, okay, yeah, no, I see. So from that understanding, that I think that's where it starts. And so I always imagine football from that perspective. Man, I loved Bernard Parker when he was on form at Chiefs. He was the most influential. When Chiefs were, you know, the last period that Chiefs was winning, it was through Bernard Parker. He would be top goal scorer in every season.
Akasifuba mna mekefila kufaka laksare ubona hebole kabali kotse zitam kunika wasiam kanga makoro chabolo chabisa munyane wan chabisa munyane tuota retu mna sia tuota pepato arbore mna pepato uraka mna arbore funde tuota oh achola kan kabolo viral kile mna pepato funde pila rasu chabolo wedia matsilenya tuota arbore mna tuota Aikora bolo, wahana mna kimang kobotse nkiba, wahana mna nkiba kacherse na matete, wataikora mna kimange peipato, fundo filagase kalatlagalangele, Snake Park Finest, otsebe aikamral kwa maloba wasopasa. Toron Cop student, Ralkalena Tuota, Bonamana Tuota, Chabalo, Tabokale, we be Matsingaman, Arbona Batsi, why Kalakal, why Amaramana 7 Cop, I want Amana 7 Como. I for Chabalo, we are Matsingamana, we are Tlingam Hoots, Bonamanam Hotsu Chabolo, Ralkabara Tele, Uyaka Salin, Abalukati, wine Chamakatu in Tamokoti, Arbona Vela by, watch Abalana Vela by, while Belora Kayakai, we are Matsinga Bread Cross, Arbona Bread Cross, why Jara Vela by, Vela. Arbona mna wacha bola bwela komrao Elwan Sabasa Kaisa JFL not Sabasa Obeta.
My name is Signolo Kamkhelo Ornament. I was born and raised in Limpopo, Giani town, in a small village called Shamfana. Later on, 2015, I went to Jogoni village. That's where I completed my matric. I stayed with my mom at the village called Jogoni. And then after completing my matric 2017, I came to Johannesburg 2018 to further my studies. Currently staying in Soweto, Bramfisher. Bramfisher, mangafika nje, and you say, you won't find him. Just say, I want to send your money. Yeah. Or when you go and say, I want to come as the commentator, they can show you. But if you go and say, I want to come, you won't find come. When you are in Soweto, say, I want money. But currently, I believe they will know comes as the commentator. Okay, let me start with the love of commentary. I can say the love of commentary came the day I hear Kebo Manyapelo saying, I not there for Kotsa or Barcelona or Man City. I remember it was Telkom knockout, December. I think it was on the 7th December 2013 when Orlando Pirates were playing against the Platinum Stars. I remember Orlando Pirates was leading and they gave Mokhagulu Dingele a chance. and then he came, he slaughtered Orlando Pirates. And then just for hearing that commentary from CC, Cebo Manyapelo, then I was like, you know what, I want this thing, I want this thing, I like this thing. Yeah, so with back to the question, ya hore Majita ke bile le lerato le bjane for bona, ngare 2022 June, when I was working at Southwest Gauteng TVET College as an intern, a student support, and then I got to know these guys, and then we used to sit down, and then when we were sitting down, you know, as Sowetan guys, we normally talk about football, and then this thing sparked my interest that why do these people understand football more than us who can see? And again, surprise was like, why do these people know players more than us who can see? You understand? So then I started to develop love and interest with these people that, you know what, I really need to spend my time with these people because I'm one person who want to learn. If I'm sitting with you, you must feed me with something. If you are not feeding with me with something, I rather feed you with something. But if we are not feeding each other, so I don't think we can play in the same league.
Mhlaba wama 2000 no setla fela ke ma 2000 aichia mfundo filokase balotela gela ngerutailenga ashapa ayon robera aikoba komhlale motho tare tres kopasa keza chese wa kopasa obete ke tare obit ngwanesu ba pusha base godimo a thaba ba namela thaba le base senang mabele mehlolo e felletse ka bomoshe mehlolo e felletse ka boelia a ona mehlolo o biti ka o diranga o felile ka o biti ngwaneso a bona tšhabolo e be mo pepato a bona pepato tšhabolo re go duota a bona duota e be mo thabo tele.
Being a full-time commentator is one passion that I feel like, you know what, if I can get that opportunity, I would be like, if they're saying dreams really comes true, yeah, that one, it can be a dream that came true for me.
Yeah, man, you know, I'd be very happy when Abraham, if they can designate an area for us. That's number one. And I don't know how this can be done, but I really wish that that area that is designated to people like myself can have an sort of access to commentators, and not us wearing headphones, because that would take us away from the atmosphere as a stadium. You know, we want to hear the crowd going crazy when Mfundo Vilakazi, you know what I mean? We want to hear the celebration. At the same time, we want to hear the comment. But, you know, at this time, Tina Silaki, because we have Kamza, you know. But you imagine somebody who doesn't have Kamza wants to go to the stadium. I mean, that atmosphere compares to nothing, I can tell you. Being at the stadium is the best thing ever. I've been enjoying football all my life, but man, being at the stadium, nothing compares to that. So if they could designate an area for us, and make sure that that area has access somehow to commentary.
Masanda wala top ngicabanga uyangizwa Brian ngicela stadium ngibekele indawo yami eVIP nje nabangani bami sifike sobhekelela idisk cela ningasibeki le ndawo engathi yari inokurasanyana nje nisibekele indawo yethe grand sizokhona nathi uthi siphathi commentator yethi shayile idisk sikhona ukunderstand nathi sifile le vibe efilwa abanye abantu stadium
ka re tsela serious le rona. And then bari prioritize re fitla ko stadium o thoma ko di security, and then le ko mo tshantse re dule teng aba ka re prioritize fela mo at least nna re feel or no re ko stadium re tshwane le mangkapa mang. Yeah, PSL ka etsa byalo a mo tla be berekile mo.
Man, to Kaizer Chiefs, I want them to know that people like me love Kaizer Chiefs. And people like me would love to experience the Kaizer Chiefs brand just as everyone else. So I don't know how they can do it, but I trust them, because from a marketing perspective, I mean, they are on top. So I'd really love for them to know that people like myself do support Kaizer Chiefs and would like to experience it just as everyone else. Me bra ma ungakaboni awufuni ukubona. I mean Kaizer Chiefs is back to where it should be. Kaizer Chiefs is not a team that must go and sign these big name players. No, Kaizer Chiefs is making names. And now you have Abu Shabalala, you have Abu Vilagazi. We are making names. That's where Kaizer Chiefs should be. So Kaizer Chiefs will succeed if they hold on to what they are, to who they are.
Message to Kaizer Chiefs as a whole, kore are tsweleng re support team ya rona ke team e le hore a gona bolo ko ntle ga yone le di player a re tsweleng re phagamise team ya rona e go pele e compete re go Africa at least le rona re khone go ba le star a bona Chiefs ka thola star ke anana ntho tse dingata di tla ba mnate mo South Africa budi currency di tla ya down economy le yona I think it tla ba mnate
bengicela bafethu sikhiphe lokhu support iSundowns singapheli umoya nabo besithela uKhadoso nabo bengafuni ukumvayisa imanagement akuna stress ngiunderstand ukuthi maybe I think amanye ama team thina ama fans weSundowns esingayibheka I think abanye ama team investile kuma technical team wawo maybe thina sesikhaliswa la ukuthi sijwayele ukudominate so asimiyekeni uKhadoso akhutshe sobona ngayo the day ava imanagement onke ama decision abathatha iyawazi bathathelana
YG Ronza o job hlabela chachi ba le botlelo o iketlile e le notho stop sa Mamelodi Sundowns ba re phagamisi nomboro ba re phagamisi 7 YG Ronza o ibia mo Grand Sasa Kekana re bone Grand Kekana o tshia bola o e botšetša ko morao go Muthomi Mvala bona Muthomi Mvala o re le ka boletelele o ibia mo tseleng ya Tiba bona Tiba e latlela ga rampa le botle krea Marcelo Allende bona Marcelo o iraloka ka botlhale o ibia mo tseleng ya Morembo la Mokwena bona Mokwena wa tšea o ibia mo tseleng ya Peter Shelley le o feta ka bonare bone Peter Shelley a ka raga pa one Mamelodi Sundowns not Kaizer Chiefs bolo e botse go tšwa Marcelo Allende a ibia mo tseleng ya Morembola ibia tseleng ya Peter Shalulile a fita ka Zwita Nkweneka a raga lerumo la marumo Braden Peterson a kwa ka bana ba sekolo ba re tlautšie bolo ngwaneso a re bone motagarampa le botlhela o tla tšea bolo to Otae ka jersey number 7 a re bone to Otae o ralka Thabo Qele bona monna Thabo Qele o boela morao le yona bolo e ibia mo tseleng ya Zwita Nkweneka bona Zwita Nkweneka ka raloka bolo e telelo nyaka Dylan Solomon bona Dylan Solomon o ilatlela ko Peipato o tla ngwadisa Africans Life Science ka Peipato a ke tsebe Xylem e tla ba ele eng a ke tsebe Skeleton e tla ba ele eng a ke tsebe Litlo e tla ba le Peipato gata bolo wa ratwa ka yona Peipato wa itšia o ibia mo tseleng ya mang a re bona o ibia mo tseleng ya Claude Lilepo bona Lilepo tsana ka re box le lope a ka raga pa one Mamelodi Sundowns, one Kaizer Chiefs. Ibala le botse la Loftus Versfeld. Le poshana kanoga epela. Kanka ijankawana. Mapelo Jazerati. Sekretelo Asrate. Kimo ubona baratile balate watkopa sa Kaizer Chiefs. Ba Bonchale Thabo. Moto otlare glory days are back for the Glamour Boys. Happy days are back for the Kaizer Chiefs. Thank you.
Offside.